Alright, got our gasket in. That was not easy. And of course we're going to do this without silicone because I just spent a while undoing someone's silicone mess. And of course it pop goes the weasel. Alright, so passenger side valve cover installed. Heater hose bracket installed. New plug wires installed and routed. Gonna put some of the pretty on here real quick and then jump over to the other side. Driver's side valve cover back on. We're gonna do our plug wires, get everything situated, get all our chrome back on, and then we'll do a little bit of adjustment, check our timing, and be ready. Got it running, and of course, it's pretty much freaking leak. Leak's fixed, ready to test drive. Just gotta put the air cleaner on. Ay.